Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading, and it is April 11th, 2014. Um, a rough Russell today, but boy, oh boy, we really had a great day, great closer to the week, and I'm going to go over it with you right now. Now, Russell opened and just fired out of the box like it was on a rocket ship. And it almost seemed like there was some kind of economic news. It was moving so quickly. And I just really wanted to let it settle down for a while before we risked any of our money to take a trade. Normally, this would be a trade I would have taken, but Russell was still just really moving. I would have taken it against the 50 because the 15 was coming down so hard, and it's a C. But I let it go. And finally, this was a trade I called in the room, but I called it really fast. And it was a beautiful bounce off the 50 that went 37 ticks. But because I was really a late call and nobody got an opportunity to get into their trader, I didn't book it. I let it go. But finally, we got the C candle. 50 was 15, modified 15, coming up hard. 50's rolling on this C. We finally see that the slope of the 50 was flat. Took the C and it went 23 ticks. 2 targets. Now the auto trader took this trade. Break of the 15. Beautiful trade. 2 targets. Now, at this point, we had stopped trading, but this was an awesome trade. I mean, it was tight to a pivot, but this was a trade that I would have taken if I was still in the game, and it went 59 ticks. You know, you don't have a crystal ball, and once we hit our profit target, we were going to stop. And then on crude, we had nothing today. Crude was just a horrendous market today. Didn't give us any setups, but didn't give us any losers because we didn't get what we wanted. And if the market doesn't come to us, we do not come to the market. So on gold, we got a break of the 15. 50's red. 15's red. You can see it on the close of the candle. It went 6 for a clean first. Then it came. We got our beautiful setup. Impulse move through a yellow 15. Retracement C candle, and bam, down it went for 13. So with a lot of patience, we wound up with 3 trades and 3 winners in a market that could have potentially given us a lot of losers. Now, there were some great setups after we finished, but we don't know that, and it's a matter of it's a question of whether or not you want to risk any of your hard-earned capital. Too much for us to put at risk here. Today we had 3 trades, 3 winners. Gold plus 6 plus 13. The Russell plus 23. Net ticks 42. Net equity, we made $700 on 3 trades. Commission, very, very small. Auto trader, 3 trades, 3 wins. First target, 1 first target, 1 second target. $500 net equity today. For the week in the trading room, on the most conservative ATM strategy that we can devise, very conservative, and there was the potential to make more. Like there was a trade that I called today that I called too quickly. A couple of people in the room may have gotten that trade, but I didn't book it as a win. Our profit for the week was $2,260. That's on 4 contracts only. We're heading, I believe we're going to close in on a $10,000 month. The auto trader for the week just made $400. Didn't have a great week, but we know we're not going to post a figure that shows you some kind of stellar performance when it doesn't do the job. It had a tough week because it was a tough market. But it's still like that, a weekly profit. If it makes $400 a week for 4 weeks, that's still $1,600. And we're going to be releasing it soon on other markets, the Forex market, the ES market, and it's always going to be a work in progress. Our effort's going to be to constantly make it better, optimize it better, to push up its equity curve. And its equity curve is good for the month. So that's it for the week. Now, this is our last day where we have our $3.99 bundle, where you can lease for 3 months at $3.99 per month for the Auto Trader and the software and the trading room, and then roll that after 90 days, roll that price over into a purchase where you get credit for your 3 monthly payments, and we subtract that from the purchase price, and you have a lifetime lease, or it's not even a lease. You have a lifetime ownership. You own the Auto Trader, you own the software, and you have lifetime access to our training room. So everybody have a wonderful weekend. I hope to see you in the room on a trial. We are just knocking the socks off the market. We do it every day. Today we made $700, one of our best trading days on a Friday, and we welcome your participation. So have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Whoops, let me just, before I close, let me show you our big promo video here, promo PowerPoint. Our number is 855-765-6681. WRightLineTrading.com. You can come. There's a link to sign up for the trading room. There's a link to see our Auto Trader performance for the month, a link to see our live trading room performance for the week and the month, and also you can email us at info@RightLineTrading.com. So everybody have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.